I'll tell you natural remedies to reverse receding gums. The first thing is maintain proper dental hygiene. Brush your teeth using gentle, not aggressive strokes and in circular motion like this. Avoid pushing the gums upward, but gently brush them along gum slants to remove bacteria that cause gingivitis. Use a small headed toothbrush with a soft bristix. You may use a motorized toothbrush which has a smaller head and brushes in controlled motion. Regular flossing is also recommended since it effectively removes plaque between teeth and around gums. Dentists recommend flushing and brushing after every meal to prevent gum disease. You should eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of nutrients such as vitamin C, which is important to maintain gum health. Vitamin C reduces inflammation from gum disease and promotes gum regeneration. Eat fresh fruits such as strawberries and pineapple, and vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, which are vitamin-rich foods. Use a germicidal mouth rinse. Rinse your mouth with mouthwash containing a few drops of essential oils like peppermint, clove or sage for about 1 minute. When done regularly, this can help control gum infections that causes the receding gums. Water with hydrogen peroxide also works to reduce bacterial growth and promote dental health. Now the fourth thing is drink lots of plain water for cleaning and healing. You can also keep gums healthy by drinking plain water instead of sugary beverages. Use plain water to swish around the mouth after eating to remove particles of the food that may be left between the teeth and gums. Repeat this procedure as often as you can to have a clean mouth and teeth and to promote healing of gums. Try while pulling. Try this Ayurvedic technique called while pulling, which is believed to reverse gum recession and to promote gum growth. Take 1 tablespoon of either sesame oil or virgin coconut oil and swish around your mouth. Pull or suck the oil through your teeth for several minutes until it becomes white and thin. Spit out the oil and rinse your mouth with water. Do this thrice a day before meals. Now, there are more remedies like others to keep gums healthy and encourage them to grow back include taking supplements such as vitamin, calcium for bone and dental health, ginkgo biloba to improve blood circulation, vitamin C and coenzyme Q10 to promote cell renewal, and zinc to enhance immunity. Experts also recommend avoid sugary beverages, processed foods, caffeine, alcohol and food products made from white flour. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and give your comments.